To care for a cast iron skillet, clean it right away after each use. First, wipe down the skillet with a paper towel to remove any food scraps or excess oil. Then, hold the skillet under running warm water and use a non-metal brush or soft scrubbing pad to scrub the surface of the skillet. Try your best not to use dish soap on your skillet, as soap can strip away some of the pan seasoning. Dry the skillet thoroughly by hand to keep it from rusting over time. To finish, add half a teaspoon, 2.5 milliliters, of vegetable oil to the pan. You do not need to add vegetable oil after cleaning it if you didn't use soap and the surface still has its grain. Use a paper towel to spread the oil around the interior of the skillet, and let the pan cool before storing it. To keep the skillet from getting damaged, never leave food on it, soak it in water, or put it in the dishwasher, since this can destroy the iron. You may need to season your cast iron skillet periodically if it starts to look blotchy, discolored, or it's heating unevenly. To do this, rub 1 tablespoon, 15 milliliters of vegetable oil into the surface of the skillet using a paper towel and bake it for 1 hour at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius.